Oke guys, kita coba game lawas, game sleeping dog, seru loh, game penuh action laga. Ya, mari kita coba bermain di game ini. Kayaknya seru ini game. Kalau ada yang salah atau salah cara kasih tahu dong, biar kita bisa selesainya game. Ya. Ya guys ya. Oh iya guys, jangan lupa ya di like juga subscribe loh, biar seru, biar nanti kita selesai seluruh misi di game ini ya. Gitu ya. Ini game lawas seru ya. Game yang penuh action, penuh laga, penuh dengan kekerasan ini game.
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want. What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，等發生咩事啊？咩啊？邊撚過嚟？庭長，嚟咯！Come, my friend.
You crazy? No.
Maybe we can sort something out, huh? 你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？Shit!
Shit? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston. The dog eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog eyes always was an asshole. Turns out he's a greedy asshole too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
So why the paranoia?
Son on Yi had a rat. What I hear, it didn't let him have a quick death. It made him real slow and painful. don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
條契弟，我今日收你哋。鬧你就認，打就企定。哼，你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that. Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. Or fuck you up.
Kidding me? Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
喂，死撚緊啦！
Are you done? I'm still here.
你話你死梗啊！
Damn, Wayne. What did they do to you in America, man?
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Oh! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us. Hoochie all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie. Yeah?
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
Well, they attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢啊 Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker. Wait a minute. I do remember you. You had a sister, right, Hamaya?
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆呀！ Where's she now?
She's dead.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about.
You like that?
Hey, you think you can fight? I bet you fall at the first one.
How about that?
Come on, dude. Don't go
That all
easy
you
on
got?
him. Think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real. Wipe that smile off your face.
You gonna back down? Come on, fight back. Why don't you get out of here?